Learn how to color with Eddie. Hi, Eddie. Oh my! Why are you wearing that hat and eye patch? Oh, you're playing Pirate. Cool! Can I be your cabin boy? Ha ha ha! Don't you know what that is? A cabin boy is an apprentice sailor. But I think your costume is missing something. Let's see. You have your pirate hat, your eye patch. Oh, I know. You're missing a parrot on your shoulder. Great idea, Eddie. We'll color one in. And what about you guys? Would you like us to color in other animals? What's your favorite one? You can tell us in the comments. Let's do this, Eddie. It's going to be really cool because parrots are very colorful. Did you know that they can peel fruit and seeds with their beak? Ha ha ha! Let's start by coloring in the feathers. What color should we use? Red! Great, Eddie! We'll use it as the main color for the head, chest, and the rest of the body. What color do you think it'll go well with, Eddie? Blue! Perfect! We can use it for this other row of feathers on the wings and tail. There's another row left on the wings. We could use a bright, lively color. Yellow! That's it, Eddie! See how pretty it looks? It looks kind of like that rainbow we colored in, remember? Now we need a distinctive color for the eyes and crest. But we've used so many already. Of course! We haven't used green yet. Good point, Eddie. Oh, I almost forgot. The beak and legs are still blank. What color should we use? Orange. Let's see how it looks. You were right, Eddie. It's turned out great. We're ready for boarding, Captain Eddie. Oh, wait. We still haven't named your parrot. We could ask our friends. Maybe they'll think of something. If you were true pirates, what would you name your parrot? You can leave your ideas in the comments. Hi, Eddie. Ready for a night of pizza and movies? I'll take care of the film. Did you take care of the pizza? But Eddie, this pizza is missing toppings. And color. This one tastes like anything. Well, don't worry. What do you say we improve it together? In the meantime, you guys can recommend us films. What's your favorite one? Please tell us in the comments. Let's see, Eddie. What do you say we turn this regular pizza into a Four Seasons pizza? Its name comes from having a different ingredient for each season of the year. Artichokes represent spring. Tomatoes represent summer. Olives represent autumn. And mushrooms represent winter. You can't wait to try it, can you? Come on, what color do we use for artichokes? Well done, Eddie! You got it right! Let's only add a bit of it, because artichokes can make you gassy. And what color are tomatoes? That's right! They can be red or green. But in this case, we want them ripe, so we'll color them in red. And now let's color in the olives. Okay, Eddie, I can see you prefer black olives. But they could also be green. Okay, the only thing left now is the mushrooms. What color are they? Eddie, if you ever see green mushrooms, it's best you don't eat them. Mushrooms are brown. A light shade of brown. Just like this, see? And we have all of our ingredients. Wait, not so fast. We still need cheese. What color is it? Well done, Eddie! Cheese is yellow. Now we just have to color in the crust. Yeah, that's kinda hard. I'd color it in brown, just like baked bread. It's turned out perfect. Now we can dig in. What's the matter, Eddie? Do you want to add any other toppings? Pineapple? I don't know, Eddie. I don't really like pineapple on my pizza. Don't give me that look. I'll prove it to you. Hey guys, what do you say? Do you like pineapple on your pizza? Yes or no?